Hello and welcome. First, we'll go through the story together, and finally, we'll try out the quiz. Are you ready? Lost and Found. Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was a curious soul, always eager to explore the world around her. One sunny afternoon, she decided to venture into the forest beyond her backyard. Quaint means attractive or charming in an old-fashioned way. Nestled means settled comfortably or snugly. As Maya wandered deeper into the woods, she marvelled at the towering trees and the symphony of birdsong above her. She followed a narrow path, her steps light and cautious, until she stumbled upon a clearing, bathed in golden sunlight. In the centre of the clearing lay a mysterious object, half buried in the earth. Symphony means a harmonious combination of different elements or sounds. Half buried means partially covered with earth or other material. Curiosity piqued. Maya knelt down and brushed away the dirt to reveal a weathered chest, its wooden surface adorned with intricate carvings. With trembling hands, she opened the lid and gasped at the treasures hidden within. Sparkling jewels, ancient coins, and delicate trinkets glinted in the sunlight. Intricate means very detailed or complicated, complex. Piqued means to arouse or stimulate interest or curiosity. Trinkets means small ornaments. Excitement bubbled inside Maya as she carefully examined each item. But as she reached for a gleaming necklace, a voice echoed through the clearing. "Stop right there! You have found what does not belong to you," the old man said, his voice heavy with sorrow. "That chest holds memories of the past, treasures of a forgotten time. It is not for you to take." Maya's heart sank as she realized her mistake. She had stumbled upon something precious, something that belonged to another time and place. Guilt gnawed at her as she looked up at the old man, her eyes filled with remorse. "I'm sorry," she whispered, her voice barely above a murmur. "I didn't mean to. I was just exploring." The old man studied Maya for a long moment, his gaze softening with understanding. Slowly he approached her and extended a weathered hand. "Child, the treasures of this world are not always meant to be possessed," he said gently. "But perhaps you can help me return these memories to where they belong." Together, Maya and the old man carefully repacked the chest, its contents now a weighty reminder of the past. With a solemn vow to honor the memories it held, they buried the chest once more, marking its resting place with a circle of stones. And as she looked back at the forest one last time, Maya knew that some treasures were meant to be cherished from afar, their stories echoing through the ages for those willing to listen. As they emerged from the forest, Maya felt a newfound sense of purpose. She may have lost the treasures she found, but she gained something far more valuable. A lesson in empathy and respect for the stories of those who came before. Sense means the ability to react to something. Purpose means the reason why you do something. Empathy is the ability to understand the feelings of others in a situation. We've come to the end of the story, and now it's time to check your understanding. Let's do it.